How to fix the Capcut security notice problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting the Capcut security notice problem, it could be because of various reasons. One being using an outdated Capcut version. Next could be suspicious login activity or multiple device login. In such cases, the account or device could be flagged for the unusual activity. So in order to fix this issue, first and foremost, you need to make sure that you have updated the Capcut to the latest version. For this, you can either go to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and type in Capcut. This way, if you see an update button, make sure to tap on it so that you get the latest version instead of outdated versions. Next thing, you need to disable the VPN or proxy if it is active. Head over to Settings and scroll down to find Network and Internet. Tap on VPN, and if there are active VPNs, make sure to close it, and same with the proxy server as well. Security notice often appears if you log in from different countries or locations. Similarly, if you have logged into multiple phones or tablets, log out from all except your main device. You can change your password to force log out on all devices and you should be good to go. However, if this does not work, you'll have to contact the Capcut support. For this, head over to your settings and then you will see a feedback section. Tap on it and tap on give feedback. Now you need to explain your problem along with the screenshots attached. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.